Just got the trash and the recycling out in the nick of time before the truck comes. And I think this cold that I had like a week ago came back. I don't know if it's a sinus infection. Today's gonna suck. Headed to the doctor now. Then a bunch of meetings. Let's go. They ask you about religion. What a weird question. We're at a blinky red light and nobody's moving. And it's terrible. We have no idea what's happening. Frustrated yet? It's a complete travesty. All I want is to be better. And food. I want some food. In lieu of any real content, I'm gonna teach you to make mac and cheese. Fill a pot with water. Create fire. I have created fire. Bring the water to a boil. Have a box of mac and cheese ready to go. Take the little thing out. Boom. Done. Get to sit on counters and try and look cool while your wife eats her meal. Because she has real food. Because she's smart. When the water is boiling, add the noodles. Cook for 7 to 8 minutes. Okay, Google, set a timer for 7 minutes.
All right, 7 minutes, starting now.
While the macaroni continues to cook, find a bowl and a colander. When you're sick, make sure you infect all of your family members. Also prepare some kind of butter substitute, like this one. Find the best possible way to retrieve butter from a container like this is a knife. Hey boo, I think there's a hole in this spoon. Stir occasionally until the timer goes off. The timer, okay Google, thank you. First we strain the macaroni, trying not to lose any of the little guys. Perfect. Now we add the cheese. And a little bit of butter. A butter substitute.
And then you try not to break the bowl. Mix it. Then mix it real good.
I need a different spoon. The reason I use a glass bowl instead of a metal bowl is because metal bowls get too hot and then you can't touch the bowl, which sucks. And now your macaroni is ready to eat! Hooray! Make sure the counter is clean. Stephanie did all the work. Now off to bed. So I just got an email update on your Model 3 reservation. It looks like it's been delayed again. Womp womp.